Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, we'll show you how to reset your password on Discord. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is simply open your Discord application. Then just simply click on User Settings. After that, just simply click on My Account. Now, click on Change Password. Now over here, if you know your current password, simply fill in the first option and enter your new password right over here. Now, if you don't remember your current password, what you need to do is simply click on Log Out. Click on Log Out again to confirm, and then over here, just simply enter your email address or phone number that is linked with your current account, and then just simply click on Forgot Your Password. And after that, an email will be sent to your linked email address. Just simply click on OK and go and check your inbox. And then inside your inbox, you should be able to see your Reset Password option. Just simply click on that, and after that, you should be able to see the option for a new password where you can add a new password, and that will be your main password from this point on. So once you've entered your password, click on Change Password, then log back in using your new password. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to change your password on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.